Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. Today's topic of choice is pediatric dermatology. So we have this patient, 3 days old baby, came with complaints of this kind of rashes on the neck, on the axilla, on the body. So what can we appreciate? What do you think? What are this maculopapular rashes? Can you see that these whitish patches are there? So what do you call them? What are these conditions? What should we give in this case? So this is nothing but like we can appreciate this maculopapular rash without an erythematous base. Can you see this white patches are there, but they are not surrounded by any erythematous base. This is a case of neonatal pustular melanosis. Today's topic of choice is neonatal pustular melanosis. These melanosis, they see this whitish patches. Can you see? And are they? Do they have erythema around them? No, they do not have any erythema around them. They are just kind of small patches, which are vesiculopustular, or you can say a proper word will be maculopapular pustular lesions without an erythematous base. That is known as neonatal pustular melanosis. Number one. Number two, if they were having any erythematous base, these patches, if they had any surrounding erythematous base, then you could have called this condition erythema toxicum. Okay, erythema toxicum is maculopapular pustular rash with an erythematous base. But this condition which you see in this baby, this is nothing but maculopapular pustular rash without an erythematous base. That is known as neonatal pustular melanosis. Number one. Number two, it is a benign condition. Number three, it is more common in African Americans. Normally it is more common. Okay, and that's it. Basically, remember, it is a collection of neutrophils. They basically contains neutrophils. Okay, neonatal pustular melanosis. How should I remember this? N for neonatal, N for neutrophils. They are more of accumulation of neutrophils, and which is the most commonest site of neonatal pustular melanosis. So the answer is like they are most common in chin, over the neck, over the back. These are the most common sites. And what is the treatment? No treatment, symptomatic management. Like it will last for 2 to 3 days, and then automatically it will be subsided. And it is one of the very important pediatric dermatological condition which looks abnormal. This looks abnormal but is normal. That was all about neonatal pustular melanosis, one of the very important dermatological conditions. Patients do get confused whether to admit the child. They think it is a very big skin problem, but it will solve by itself. It lasts for 2 to 3 days. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, do share and do like it. And for more such updates, you can join our pediatric WhatsApp and Telegram group on 9999897081. Thank you.